Welcome back to the Deal Hunt series where I find the best value eats. On today's menu we have Khao Soi, which is a dish from the north of Thailand. This spot right here is Michelin recommended. At the end, I'll let you know if it's a great value eats. Let's go. Khao Soi is basically a type of noodle. They have noodle, they have chicken, they have some crispy things. First you gotta mix your stuff right. What does it mean? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'll show you. You gotta get straight with the lime. All these veggies, they go right in. Alright, let's try it. Bro, you gotta grab the chicken like a minute. The chicken is so tender. It's cray. Let's get to trying its juices. It's like curry-like flavor. The noodle is soft. I think it's egg noodle. Okay, let's talk about it now. Phenomenal dish. 10 out of 10 dish. One of the staples of Thai cuisine, for real, for real. The chicken, finger-licking chicken, you get me. Very appropriate. But is it a good value? So the price for this is 75 baht. The portion, more on the smaller side, yeah? Considering that it's Michelin recommended spot. So the value, I would give it 7 out of 10 on the value scale. This spot got history behind it. The main mama-san is sitting behind the camera checking out your boy, and literally she got her own poster hanging on the wall. That must mean something. Overall, I declare this deal hunt a success. I'ma finish my food in peace like I always do. If you like this series, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vid.